Guys, it's possible that RLUSD will go online tomorrow. Many individuals are making predictions today, but it doesn't appear as since the day is essentially gone and Ripple hasn't declared that RLUSD has officially launched. It's going online today, guys. We'll be discussing RLUSD primarily in today's video because I'm thinking maybe tomorrow and we need to get ready for that. What's coming up? First, Ripple tweeted out that Ripple Swell 2024 demonstrated how blockchain and cryptocurrency are changing global finance, moving from stablecoin growth and regulation to tokenization of physical assets and financial inclusion. The future has arrived. Review the four main ideas. Among these four major concerns, the regulation of digital assets is still a primary concern. Guys, isn't that obvious? The utility side is already here. Clear traffic laws are all we need. Markets where digital assets are clearly regulated are seeing a boom in blockchain innovation. Unfortunately, the expansion of cryptocurrency companies in the country has been hindered by the NAC's lack of advice. Even if XRP is essentially one of the primary coins that has been approved, we just need clear regulations for this sector to continue to advance. As the saying goes, we really need a regulatory structure that will help separate the good from the bad and the regulated from the cowboys or worse out there, finish the quote. Do we not see? Yes. And after that, they discuss a few other topics, men. We're going to discuss real-world use cases in today's video because they are the most important. You know what? Though I'm not sure if anyone else is, I'm going to bring this up. Are you prepared? My meme coin is XRP. Guys, let me reiterate, XRP is my meme coin. What exactly do you mean by it? You might be asking yourself. You are aware of how quickly memes may gain popularity. The return on investment. In my humble view, XRP will have the same personality. This isn't advice on finances, simply due to the utility component that is involved. All right, so from now on, I will refer to XRP as my utility meme coin. I'm aware that it would cost a lot because even Elon Musk once said that for people who struggle with math, when transaction volume is 100 times larger and fees are 100 times lower, the total fees earned are the same. To become the world's currency, low fees and large volume are required. What is he discussing? Correct, I'm fairly certain that Elon Musk reads this account as well, and he consistently comments on or responds to this account. Folks covered the RLUSD issue. Mario, huh? Thus, it's possible that Elon investigated XRP behind the scenes. Yes, perhaps he did. Furthermore, what do you mean by those who claim that XRP is useless? Because, well, nearly a billion XRP, worth $1 billion, moved around. It just took a few seconds, and it cost absolutely nothing in the end, right? The thought of moving down which money goes is less than a dime. Quickly and with minimal expenses, didn't you realize that you also need to discuss that Ripple at the World Economic Forum's annual gathering in Davos right here, guys? Cooperation and support of the intelligence H. I'm impressed by your intelligence H. It appears that Ripple will be there. Thank you to our sponsors, everyone. As of right now, Ripple is listed once more, along with a few other coins, but the 8th annual Blockchain Central Davos 125 will take place. They will most likely be rather bullish, in my opinion. In this meeting, gentlemen, particularly with the rise of cryptocurrencies, thus, this will simply focus more on cryptocurrency before discussing RLUSE. I would like to draw attention to, well, Tether Treasury just produced another billion USDT. You know what? Tether's volume in the past 24 hours alone was $333,131 billion. Imagine that volume reaching XRP, or should we say RLUSE, as I believe it will. Do you see what I mean? Mint Tether on demand. However, the cryptocurrency market surges as they mint and print. They run their business in a trust me bro fashion. According to the BIS's prudential treatment of crypto assets, they are not collateralized one-to-one. Even they are expressing it, so look at that. When the USDT tethers collapse, you will be destroyed. Many mints of USCC, but Rolluck is on the way all right. The Rolluck from KuCoin is here. Let's find out more about this, shall we? This is enormous. It's going to be enormous. Following the introduction of its own stable coin by Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple emerged as one of the world's most prominent blockchain corporations. In June 2024, our LLC outperformed the US dollar by a ratio of 1-to-1. The purpose of our LLC is to enable smooth, economical, or effective transactions in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. In order to guarantee constant value and dependability, the stablecoin is now completely backed by US dollars, deposits, short-term US treasuries, and cash equivalents. Let me start by pointing out a few things. Guys, I understand that there might be bugs and other issues, and this wallet indicates that 511 XRP will be equivalent to 1 RLUSD, but that isn't the case. Do you want to know why? Since the RLUSD will be steady at $1, this is clearly a bug. I hope it doesn't fluctuate, because if it does, it will swing like this, which is similar to how cryptocurrency swings. That's problematic because of the volatility, isn't it? It seems as though it's getting the pegs as the pegs. It must remain as stable as possible in relation to the dollar and its value. Particularly during turbulent times and black occurrences, okay? If this is the case, I will not be purchasing our Luke at this time. It must occur prior to a black zone incident or some kind of recession. Therefore, unless you have a specific reason for doing so, I won't be purchasing our Luke for the time being. And you probably shouldn't either. But once more, 1 RLUSD will cost $1. You can call it that, and it will cost $1, which will cost $1 10 years from now. All right, so don't be duped into believing that it will continue to rise, because it won't. It's going to be a broken stable coin, so hopefully it doesn't. Guys, if it does fluctuate, it's really hard. It must remain as steady as possible. Thus, RLUSD, what is it? The goal of Ripple stablecoin RLUSD is to offer a reliable digital currency for trading and transactions, similar to USDT and USDC. It is entirely backed by short-term government treasuries, issued by UNICEF, dollar deposits made by UNICEF, and other cash equivalents. That's why I'm going to put my trust in RLUC rather than USCT and USCC. Especially when they're open and honest. If I remember correctly, they're meant to have monthly reports. Let's move on to the following suite. On the first day, there will be a lot of interactions. Ripple marketing, positioning, and strategic alliances. Ripple has formed strategic alliances with a number of exchanges, including Uphold, Bitsum, Bitzel, MoonPay, Independent Reserve, CoinMena, and Bullish, to guarantee a successful launch. These partnerships aim to enhance liquidity for market makers like B2C2 and KeyRock and enable the broad implementation of RLUC. Look at this, okay? Those are the exchanges where it will be listed. By the way, that's excellent. It's highly bullish for the first day. That many conversations from the beginning. Before a recession hits in a few months, I'm hoping that there are 10, 15, or 20 more transactions. Yes, and I believe it will be. Our LLC is now only a short distance away. Here are 5 things you should be aware of and prepare for. So, you won't see a real RLUC/XRP automated market pool until the AM clawback amendment is implemented on the XRP ledger. Invest in an automated market maker pool. Well, there we have it. Therefore, until we see this amendment, the AM will not go live. For our RLUC guys, the AM clawback modification has been activated on the ledger for XRP. Therefore, I'm not sure how long you'll take until that becomes online, maybe a few months at most. After that, the pool will formally open, although I doubt you'll use it until 206 or elsewhere in the future. In the immediate term, the NACE's dollar pricing for an RLUC token will probably not be entirely stable at $1 from the start. You should keep an eye on the XRP token value. Locked, also known as pooled, since if the AM clawback feature ever applies, the price won't be below your grasp, right? The value of the XRP token is locked, indicating that the pool's value is locked. Now, if XRP is locked in these pools, it will be LSD, and all of these coins will get locked, folks. You know what? They won't sell, and that's simply going off the market. As you can see, it simply adds bullish events one after the other. Continue piling one on top of the other, okay? Guys, everything is looking really lovely, very lovely. USTC and US8 are unable to hold